Oh my god. Who that? So guys, we went into Extra Foods around ways, and let me give you a little mini haul, a mini little grocery haul and the stuff that we got. So just a second. Let's see that. And here is the caramel popcorn. Let me taste one and see how it tastes. Tastes very good. I'm not gonna take everything out the bag, as you can see. I'm not gonna take actual everything. We got juice. Oh, here's my purse, and we got some agua with water. Yeah. So in this vlog, we're actually heading by the zoo. Hopefully, cause you know time can catch up on us. Hopefully, we can make it there. This caramel popcorn tastes so good. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us, okay? So guys, we're actually in Port of Spain. Yeah. Sorry for the jerking up. So we're actually turning. So
Woodford Square? Yes, Woodford Square. Woodford Square. This is Parliament. This is the army headquarters. The army headquarters.
So guys, we're here. We're at the zoo, guys. So guys, first time baby boy is at the zoo. It's first time, and honestly he ain't paying attention. He ain't paying attention to the animals at all.
Oh, come on, there.
His son.
Come on, there.
I saw him.
No time like a raccoon. Or look at the meaning in the
He must sleep.
the crab eating a raccoon.
This one ain't sleeping. This one busy.
Looking for crab.
Porcupine. You can hardly see him. Oh, yeah. This is another. Yeah. We are in the reptile section. Well, it is too. And
Oh, I expect this. Oh, that is small. I want to the big one we see up soon.
Why this thing real hiding? Babe, I feel so guys, look. Look outside, look outside me. What's it? I have a few more there. It's so tiny. So guys, let's search. Let's search for this one. Aha! I find it. I find it. Found it. Dead. You know a turtle shell right there, dead. Remember before wow, it's so huge. You look how beautiful. I want to see the big animals.
Look at one up in here.
Why that one big though?
Oh yeah, when I walk around so yes, so that's something was up there. Yeah, I think it's good. I was up there.
Oh my god, look, guys, look at the view, like 360. 360. 360. That's a 360 right there. Like, couldn't get any better than this, right? No, it couldn't. Huh? Oh my gosh. Guys, I gotta show you this. Look how beautiful.
Yeah, it all.
So guys, I've come to the end of my video, guys. I start this video bad. I'm like literally sorry. I apologize for that. Forgive me. So you know, this is your girl Sabrina Bless. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for another one. Bye guys.
Tired, man. Tired.
Tired for do what? Tired just to relax?
No, they got old.
Got you. So guys, actually sitting down and a bit more relaxed. So I just want to let you all know that I've come to the end of my video. Yes, and I know it's been a while. It's like I fall off the map completely, but you know, I'm still here, same way we're going to yeah, but like YouTube moments and things. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much you know, being a part of my YouTube family. And I know the video start bad, I know, yes. So guys, continue to stay tuned. You know, I will still try and upload videos as often as I can. So yes, and here girl, yeah, I cut off all of my hair. Yes, I did it myself. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now guys.